Online tutorial, SSW part number 76. This is a Canister Purge connector. SSW part number 2 for the terminal, and SSW part number 0 for the seal, and a 22 gauge piece of wire. We're going to be using basic hand tools to complete this job. Cutters, SSW crimp tool that can be purchased on our store. Alphabetical key index, A, B, C, D, and E will be referenced. And strippers. Go ahead and grab your 22 gauge piece of wire. Strip off about 1/8 of an inch of insulation. Then go ahead and place your part number 0 seal. And then place your terminal straight over the wire. Start in D, crimp down, then go to E. And on this one I want you to do C. Just crimp the secondary seal lock in C, and then go to E of the crimp tool and do a 5-pound pull test. Locate the back side of your connector. Place your terminal in with the keyway to the top. Just slide it until it locks. And you've installed it. To remove this terminal out of the connector, purchase one of our green terminal tools online. Find the top hat section of the connector itself, right here's a little cutout section. Place it in until it stops. Bend down till it clicks, and you can remove it out the back side. If you're installing this terminal again, go ahead and place your razor blade underneath there. Keyway towards the top, and install till it clicks.